Flatpack with some draft excluders for wedgelets at the front. You'd love to see it. Away we go. Straight over the top goes Agamemnon underneath. Flatpack spinning its wheels in disgust. Gets away. Trying to flank round the side of Agamemnon. Agamemnon utilising the cat, who springs into action and rears its hind. The rain comes down at Northdown. Agamemnon towards the pits. Thinks about it, presses the pit release button, pit goes down. Agamemnon guiding Flatpack to the pits. Flatpack gets away, the bristles at the front, cleaning the arena as it goes. It's a lovely service to have. And Agamemnon gets it against the wall, levering it up and pinning against the wall upside down. And there's no self-right from Flatpack, but it is inverted, it can run both ways. Harry, don't drive down the pit. Upside down. The cat brought into play and sits on top of Flatpack once again. Agamemnon retreats into the safety of the centre of the arena. I wouldn't want to mess with the cat either, to be honest with you. It is terrifying. As Flatpack struggles with the cat, Agamemnon has a little look and levers up. Oh, there's some smoke from someone. I don't know who it is. It looks like Flatpack. Agamemnon levering up the cat and now has, well, got the cat on top of it. There's 10 seconds left to go. Agamemnon trying to get away. The cat is beat on Flatpack and Flatpack smoking away. And that was, well, I don't know.
Back to the edge, please.
Gareth, is that a...
Back to the edge, please.
Gareth, is that a good decision?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, yes, why not? So, if you think Agamemnon, the wedge shake machine, won, give us a shout. And if you think Flatpack won, the flat robot, give us a shout. Yeah! Oh, I love the passion. I love the passion. I think a win for Agamemnon there. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Right, can we get Terabyte and Propeller?